Hello, Alex's EDC Army, and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, where the such stands for EDC gear. Today, we're going to try this Pepsi from Guatemala. It's Guatemalan Pepsi. Let's see if you can see the label. It says Guatemala right here. Guatemalan Pepsi from Global Foods. Let's use the Super Tinker can opener, bottle opener to get this open. Screw it back. It's very tall. It is a 500 milliliter bottle. If I were to guess, I would probably be wrong, but let me know in the comment section below. But I'd say it's like 16 ounce to 16.9 ounce, something like that. Let's get this open. This is your cap. Let's sniff it. Smells really good, like Pepsi should. Let's take some swigs of it. I'm not really a Pepsi person. I prefer Coke or Dr. Pepper or flavored Pepsi. I mean, like Pepsi Cherry or flavored Cokes and Mountain Dews. And I do drink soda. I don't drink it every single day. But this is very good compared to the American Pepsi. Guatemalan Pepsi. Take another drink and then I'll give you a rating. Okay. I give this Guatemalan Pepsi on the low side an 8.8 and on the high side a 9.6. It is very good. It is worth drinking. And it is just very good. So if you like Pepsi and you haven't tried Guatemalan Pepsi, I suggest you do because it is very good form of Pepsi compared to the American Pepsi. And it's real sugar. And make this compared to the 7-Up, very small label. It says carbonated water, sugar, caramel color, and blah, blah, blah. And pause to read. Let me know what you think of this Pepsi in the comment section below. If you've had it, how do you like it? And what is your favorite Guatemalan sodas or Mexican sodas? Jarritos, any other sodas? Let me know in the comment section below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day. Be safe. Subscribe to my channel for more to come. Enjoy the hobby. Hopefully get something good, decent. Click what you like. Be safe. Knife in the video is the Kizer Mini Roach. 154 cm blade steel. Mini Roach. And matte Deegan design. Look out for the guy girl to your left. Look out for the guy girl to your right. Hashtag be up. Hashtag DSKFS. Choose love, not hate. Enjoy your friends, your family, your pets, yummy food, your music, your video games. And remember to use your sharp blades. Bye.